Welcome to How To. In this video, we'll be looking at doing a screen record on OBS. So you have these lower panes. Now, because I'm filming on the screen record using OBS, I will talk you through which settings that you require to go on, but I won't be able to do them myself because it will stop the recording. So over at the bottom here, you see the scenes, sources, audio mixer, and scene transition here, and controls. Now, the controls is where you will start the recording or the streaming here, where you can see I've got stop recording, you will go start recording. But before that, we need to set up the scene. So if we go to the scene, and you see this plus icon here, if you click the plus, you'll select the scene. So this is just basically the name of what you're calling the setup of what you're going to record. Here you click OK, name it what you want to call the scene. I'm going to have to click cancel because I've already got the scene set up to record now. And then you move over to sources. In the sources pane, you'll go down to the plus icon and select display capture. You can also, if you wanted to do a recording of what was going on in a window, then you can select window capture there. But on this, we're just doing the screen capture. So we'll just click here on display capture. I can't do that because I've already got it selected, but that's what you should do now. Once that's completed, you should be able to click start recording and it will record your screen. Join us in the next video where we'll be adding sound, so it will record your voice, and we're going to set this up using AI. If you found benefit from the video, please like and subscribe for more.